morning, everybody. So, today in our math lesson, we are learning our last number for multiplication and division. We are multiplying and dividing with 7. So far we have gone through all the numbers 1 through 10 except 7. So really the only one we need to learn is 7 times 7 because we've learned 6s, 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, 1s, 8s, 9s, and 10s. So let's get started. On your class activity page, you will have your chart again, and it shows different patterns with 7s. They have just your regular multiplication over here. They have division. We have our repeated groups counting by 7s. And over here we have our function table. Okay, we've had this the last few numbers that we've learned. So remember that n is just a variable that stands in for whatever you're multiplying by 7. So 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21, and so on. So I want you to take your time and go through what each of these multiplication or division equations are with 7s, okay? So like you'll start out 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14, and so on. Then hop over to division. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 14 divided by 7 equals 2, and so on. Okay, go ahead and pause and do that, and then you can press play again and we'll keep going. All right, so now that you've gone through your 7s, you've heard them, hopefully you keep practicing, and now that we know all of our multiplication and division, you'll get going on your flashcards and really get your multiplication and division down. Let's turn to the back here. We just have some fast array drawings. So we practice this with the last few numbers. Again, you either multiply or divide depending on where our box is to solve. So up here we have a 4 by 7 array, so that's 4 times 7, and 4 times 7, if we check our chart back here, 4 times 7 is 28. Okay? So you put your 28 in there. Then this, we have our total number in here, but we're missing a factor. So what times 7 equals 42? If you need to go back and look, go ahead. Or 42 divided by 7. I might look for 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Okay, so you can keep going through these, and I really encourage you to practice your flashcards today for 7s, or if you want to go on to timestables.com or multiplication.com, those really help, and they'll help in the long run once we start doing some word problems and square numbers, multi-step word problems. It's really going to help if we know our multiplication facts and division facts, all right? So you have this to do for today and your homework and remembering for tomorrow. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.